Greetings, everybody. Welcome to the Nine Dimes Project channel. All right, we've made it to series 3. It's the smart banking and high yield savings. So we're gonna stop letting your bank rob you. Learn where to keep your money, how to beat inflation, and save $5,000 in 6 months. So this first part, we're going to show you how your bank is robbing you and how to stop it. So traditional banks going to earn you pretty much nothing while they profit off your money. So over the next 3 weeks, we're going to show you where to actually keep your money so it grows instead of sitting there doing nothing. And how to save $5,000 in 6 months. But first, let's talk about your bank. They're paying you 0.01% interest while they turn around and lend your money at 20% interest on average, and you're just getting robbed. So let's see how you stop it. So let's say you have $10,000 saved. It's earning you like $1 interest. And they lend it to someone else. It's 20%. Means they're making $2,000 per year off of that $10,000. And you put the money in there, but they profit. Plus, they charge you overdraft fees, maintenance fees, ATM fees. So what do we want to do? We just want to change to a different bank that has different accounts. It's gonna earn you at least 3.5%, 4.5%, 5%. And these are online first banks like there's plenty of them out there. SoFi, Ally. You can research the ones that make sense to you. And most of these have no physical branches. So what they don't spend on those branches, you can make the interest from that. And also they are FDIC insured. So each account is insured for up to $250,000. The bank fails, the government pays you back. Money safe in the online banks. How do you switch? You can open an account online. Usually you can put in like $25 to start, activate it. You can set up a direct deposit and move as much money as you can, up to $250 to that account. So, and that's it. That's it for part 1. Know how to open an online bank, and it's high yield. I would look for at least 3.5%, but you can each bank's gonna be different. And sometimes you might like some features where it might pay like 3.5% instead of 5%, because the other features you might like other than the percentage. But you can search that on your own. So in part 2 of this series, I'm going to show you there's a hidden tax that's still taking your money even if you have a high yield account. And we do have our free tools, links in the description, the 3 tools. Starter pack, it's the Wealth Builder template, the 30-day money challenge, and there's another get savings goal calculator. Alright, so that'll do it for part 1 of this series, and we'll see you in the next one.